shake, it a shake on the place. It a shake up the place. It a shake, it a shake, it a shake. Work for me, baby. Tear down the place. It a shake, it a shake, she a shake, it a shake, she a shake, it a shake. You know what on me? Have it well heavy, can't find no jeans. Every time I walk, the place get dizzy. I gun man alone, make my job panty.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I did tell you guys that I was gonna start vlogging more again because I just be doing my own shit. Anyways guys, as y'all can see, my face is coming off because I started doing my skincare last night. So obviously you're not gonna have this big result yet or whatever. However, I had scar here and I don't know, it's fading out. It was looking like, you know, like when you have a little bat or something like that. Yeah, it was looking like that. So yeah, I did tell you guys about the cluster lash. I did tell you guys that I washed them and then they will fluff out back by themselves. That's what happened here and here. I wanted to patch those back, not because I washed my face, but because I didn't put much lashes there, and I'm just realizing that I really need to fix them. But I mean, I kill myself. Maybe I'll fix them eventually. What else? Yeah. So I am tight today.
The place that open downstairs.
Very tight because I'm in my faha. I'm in my faha, guys, because I realized that, well, I came out of my faha too early. That's number one. Number two, the faha shapes the body, gives the body the shape that, you know, you really want. So I told myself I'm gonna start wearing my faha back and stuff like that too. Angle down that. Yeah, I'm supposed to have 2 customers for today. 2 sisters were supposed to come to me. Not sure if they're coming, but hopefully they do. I don't remember what else to tell you guys. At some place you're gonna stay long? Eh?
Why?
I don't know, I just wonder if you're gonna stay long. I can't stay long. Anyways guys, so yeah. Where you are go? Come give me a hug now. Come give me a hug, come. Kiss me now. Kiss. Yeah? Amora, you alright? So guys, I didn't comb my lashes out. Anyways, I'm planning to get myself a little cream to cream the front of my ear because I just did this here and I really don't feel like taking it out as yet. I gotta wear out my $5,000. Like, I don't think I wore my $5,000 out yet. So yeah, I need to do that. So I'm gonna cream the front part and flat it out and make it like more blending and thing. What is the name again? Mirad this. Guys, I need tripods and ring lights and stuff like that so I can vlog more and stuff. As I told y'all, I really was gonna quit vlogging and all of that because it just never made sense to me no more. But social media built me to have majority of things that I have right now, and I'm grateful to social media. I don't care who's not. I don't care who hates me. I don't care who thinks I talk too much. I don't care who thinks anything about me. I really don't give a fuck. So I'm not gonna say fuck off with social media. In fact, I'm gonna start vlogging and doing my shit. I'm gonna start popping back my shit. So yeah, I love you guys. I love my supporters a lot. Everybody that watches me and when not watch me, just comment. Everything I'm gonna say, just comment. And yes, I put on my ring because I mean, why the fuck not? It's mine. It was given to me, yeah. So I'm gonna wear it. Even if I don't have the man, still I'm gonna wear the ring. Whatever. Love y'all. I'm extremely tired. Anyways, I permed my hair front. I creamed the front this morning and I added some color. So I creamed the front and I just put in 1 layer of color in it. I don't know if it's looking any different or whatever, but personally I like it. I also added some curls, but I don't know, for some reason, like, some of the curls them look dry. But yeah, that's what I did earlier on today. And I did my friend's nails. I patched my lashes. I should take off lashes from scratch and do it over, but I really never have the time nor the patience to do that. So I just got pick up the children in from school. I don't know what Jelani is doing. Him asked me if he drive him around today to do some things, and he's still my husband, so yeah. Me help him out whenever I can or whatever. So but do y'all see my face though? Like whatever little tiny bumps like this, like them I literally just come up. I feel like them they come up, but them I go way back because, like, I mean, my face routine is crazy. They don't have a reason but to go. They can't see. I don't know why Jelani staying so long. Him stop. Him I left the children him right just until we come back. Guys, I am tired. I really need a minute to be honest. So take a little break, you know. I really need, like the car driver me asleep. I'm depressed. I remember something in sex. Like, I don't care if I have it or if I don't have it. But when I have it, I have it, you know? Yeah. But yeah, I like to hear.
Of life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride the whip, I know people, die for nothing. What's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them. Oh no no, girl I want make you. Oh no no, I beg make you. Pull over, come on, pull over. Should be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me I understand to your dad.
I'm just done fix me here. This is what I'm working with today. And this is my cream that I am gonna rub on my skin now, because I already rubbed my face. So I'm gonna rub my hand and my foot. You understand? As I tell you now, the cream is reasonable and is the best right now. Like, my cream doesn't strip you, doesn't make you look like a lizard. It just gives you a nice little, you know, nice little something there. Your skin smooth. I feel like baby bottom ass, so yeah. and you get really great results when using the official drip cream. So why aren't you using the official drip cream? And as me telling them, I just use the same container to make mine, because why waste, you know, containers? And then put look like the ear growth help on my lip. And that's it.
Recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit.